This is Angelo. Hi, and the topic of the day is...
What topic are we talking about?
Yes. Yes.
What topic?
Ole face there, ole pero. Ole peperos.
My name, isn't it?
The suave.
This is what happens to you when you wake up for 48 hours straight, no sleep, no food, nothing.
Pelo.
72 hours straight, no sleep, nothing, straight from San Francisco, you know, trying to hook down.
Hayward, Haystack?
Trying to get something to drink.
Is that where you're from?
I thought you said you can't drink the cranberry juice.
No, because now they have it. So go ahead.
Only I can drink the cranberry.
Yeah, what's what?
I don't know who.
What's what?
I'm like, can you
What's what? Grey Goose? Very nice.
Praise the Lord, praise the Lord, praise the Lord.
And let's take a tour around the table. There's Fo,
Please
Logi.
introduce yourself.
My name is Princess.
YouTube
We don't need to know her.
YouTube has got too much of you. Let me just tell you now, YouTube about to fire you for having too much pictures of yourself.
This is the MySpace freak right here.
YouTube freak.
YouTube, MySpace, same thing.
But it's sad how there's only 3 views and it's all hers.
Oh yes.
Are you guys hungry?
There's Ryan. Hi Ryan. Hi Lisa. And there's more people coming in for some cocoa rice. Let's get a picture of the cocoa rice girl. Hi Mama. How are you?
Are you Jean? You don't go to...
Would you like to make a shout out? Would you?
Do I look like their father?
This is their father, leaving all the children of the world. Come inside and come and eat. Come eat. Come eat.
Another one?
They're hungry. Right. Leana tell daddy.
Somebody help the Somalian kids?
Daddy, Leana tell oi.
Somebody help the Somalian kids?
Come and eat. Come eat.
Can y'all come in?
Don't be shy. We're one.
No, I ain't making no coke rice.
Daddy don't want to help kids. Uncle's gonna go.
Bye.
They're having drama.
Come right up. Come on. Y'all want to come in?
So, Eugene, what's new? How's life?
Tell you what, what's new? T.I.'s going to jail in March.
Oh, okay. Now let's
About to do a year and 1 day, you know. He wrote me yesterday. He said, you know, I've been a big inspiration in his life.
Loser?
What?
No, what? Who said that?
I don't appreciate this camera woman. I wish KRN4 News was here.
Just kidding. We love you, Eugene.
Look at this guy. He thinks he got fast hands.
I know. I saw that. I saw that. That's okay. It's just water. Everybody needs water. We got Parenti right there.
It's not...
This is my little cousin Kate.
Oh, hi, Faith. Oh, hi, Faith.
Yeah.
Pretty girl. Ah, let's find a picture. Or movie. Movie. Let's find a movie.